Psychology is the study of human behavior and mental processes. There are many fascinating and useful psychology tricks that can help you understand yourself and others better. If you're talking to someone whose voice is constantly changing, they like you. This is because they are trying to match your tone and pitch, which is a sign of attraction and rapport. If someone gives you strange looks, stare at them until they look away. This is a way of asserting your dominance and confidence and making them feel uncomfortable and insecure. If someone insults you on the phone, say nothing. The person will feel bad. Never react to stupid comments, otherwise you'll just be provoked further. This is because silence is a powerful weapon that can make the other person feel guilty and awkward and reduce their motivation to continue the attack. If a person has a fake laugh, look around their eyes. There are small wrinkles there. This is because genuine laughter involves the contraction of facial muscles around the eyes, which creates crow's feet. Fake laughter does not produce this effect. If someone can't maintain eye contact, they are not confident and insecure. Avoiding eye contact can indicate low self-esteem, anxiety, or deception. These are the ultimate psychology tricks that will give you an edge in any situation. But don't forget that these are not foolproof, and some people may be immune to your manipulation. Always use your brains and cunning when pulling these tricks.